Hello guys, welcome back to part 2. Starting off with the legs, make a magic ring and place 10 single crochet. In this round, we are going to work on the back loop only, starting off with a single crochet. Decrease on the next 4 stitches. And single crochet on the last stitch. On the next 6 stitches, place a single crochet. Single crochet on the next 2 stitches. On the next 3 stitches, make 2 double crochet in the same stitch on the front loop only. Place a single crochet on the last stitch for a total of 9 stitches. Single crochet on the next 2 stitches. On the next 6 stitches, make a back post single crochet. Single crochet on the last stitch. For row 6, place 9 single crochet. Place 4 single crochet. Decrease. And single crochet on the last 3 stitches. Place 3 single crochet. Decrease. 3 single crochet on the last 3 stitches. Make 3 single crochet on the next 3 stitches. Decrease. Single crochet on the last 2 stitches, chain 1 and cut yarn. Make 2 but don't finish off on the second leg. This straight part should be facing each other like so, and this part should be on the outer. In this round, we are going to connect the 2 legs by placing a single crochet on the second stitch of the first leg. And now we are going to place a single crochet around for a total of 12 stitches. Change to white yarn and cut the brown yarn. And for this round, we are going to place a single crochet on the back loop only for the next 12 stitches. Change to orange yarn and place 12 single crochet. Change to white yarn and place single crochet on the first stitch, decrease on the second stitch, and continue this pattern until the end of the row. Change to orange yarn and cut your white yarn. Stuff using a fiber fill. Single crochet and decrease on the next and repeat this pattern for 2 times. Single crochet on the last 2 stitches, slip stitch and chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now we are done on the body, and this is the back part. And this is the front part. Now we are going to work on the arms, starting off with a magic ring and place 4 single crochet. For round 2, change to white yarn, and on the back loop only make 4 single crochet. Change to orange yarn and make 4 single crochet. Change to white yarn and place 4 single crochet. For the next 2 rows, repeat row 3 and row 4. Chain 1, cut your yarn and leave a long tail for sewing. Once you're done, this is what it should look like, and make 2. We're finally done on all of the body parts. Now we are just going to sew them all together. And we're done. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below who should I do next. Bye!